Welcome back to the 7th episode of Spartan Spotlight. I'm one of your hosts, Jared Montevirgen.
And I'm your host, Genesee Torres, for today. To kick off this month, the esports team will be having a fundraiser with Krispy Kreme on November 12th.
So make sure to buy some donuts to help out the esports club.
IB Art will be hosting a field trip to the Museum of Art on November 7th.
It will be from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m., so make sure to prepare for this wonderful trip.
Spartans, just a friendly reminder, on November 10th, which is on a Friday, we will not be having school.
This is because of Veterans Day, to honor the wonderful people who served in our military.
So enjoy your 3-day weekend, Spartans.
Attention, the class of 2024, make sure to bring your IDs on November 16th, because you'll be having your picture taken in the stadium.
The times will be from 9:15 to 10:35.
Hey everyone, if you haven't gotten the chance to participate in Garden Volunteer Days so far, well, you're in luck.
There will be another Garden Volunteer Day on November 16th after school from 3:45 to 4:45 p.m.
This is an opportunity to learn new skills and have fun with your friends. Well, Spartans, it is that time of year again. Thanksgiving!
Wow, Thanksgiving is already here?
That's right. Your Thanksgiving break is going to start on November 18th to the 26th.
Students will return on the 27th.
After months of schoolwork, I can finally relax. Spartans, make sure to pick up your trash so that our campus is clean. Last month was Cancer Awareness Month.
Thank you to those who wore pink to support the people fighting cancer or our cancer survivors.
Here are some pictures displayed on the screen that were taken during the Cancer Awareness Week.
While talking about last month, we had our annual pumpkin carving contest.
Great job to all those participated this year, and there were some amazing pumpkins.
The pumpkins that entered the competition are shown on the screen. Wonderful job to everyone who participated. The carrying closet will not be open when Mrs. Jimenez is teaching. Adult supervision is required.
If you have no pass, you cannot enter during class hours. The carrying closet is available during lunch on Monday and Wednesday, and after school on Tuesday and Thursday.
Thank you for visiting the carrying closet. You can scan the QR code on the screen to visit the carrying closet.
2 weeks ago, a workshop between the RMHS Video and Broadcasting class and the RMHS Yearbook students worked together with a reporter and the CAO of Cal Matters based in Sacramento.
This was the first session of the Conference of Journalistic Practices across programs.
It was a great experience to bond with the journalism students of Rio Mesa.
Make sure to check out the highlights of this workshop at the end of the episode.
Hello everyone. The boys' tennis season will be starting in the spring during the second semester.
It is extremely fun, and even if you've never played tennis before, it's an awesome opportunity to come and check out the sport.
For all both new and returning players, there is a mandatory tennis meeting on November 6th in room 29 that starts at the beginning of lunch.
We will be discussing many important items, including tryouts, so make sure you come and check it out.
If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to go talk to Mr. Edwards in room 29 during lunch.
Hello everyone, this is Ms. Juarez here from College and Career Center. I want to remind you all of some events we have happening at the College and Career Center. Typically Wednesdays and Thursdays we have after school hours to help you fill out for your applications, whether you're applying to CSU, UC, community college, or need help with your PIQs. Come by the College and Career Center after school. We typically have them Wednesdays and Thursdays. The second week of November we have Oxnard College coming in to help you with your portal setup, so if you're planning on going to Oxnard, you'll be getting some reminders from us. And then we have as well more after school workshops. Before you go on Thanksgiving break, we have Channel Islands coming in for admissions on the spot. So if you're interested in going to Channel Islands, they will be able to determine if you get approved or not. And then we have College Admission Day from DCAC and more after school workshops. After Thanksgiving break, you only have 4 days to submit those applications. You want to make sure you're submitting them before the 30th. If you do need help and assistance with filling those applications, just stop by the College and Career Center to make an appointment with any one of us.
Have you guys joined the College and Career Google Classroom?
If you haven't, the code is
capital M, 7Y, 7, capital K, VP.
So make sure to join the class to take advantage of the opportunities that are available.
Talking about college, Anybody interested in joining CSU Channel Islands?
There will be a presentation from CSU on November 14th. During fourth period, the presentation will begin.
All levels and all grades are welcome.
Thank you, Spartans, for watching. That's all from the news.
On to the sports and weather segment. Bye!
Welcome back, Spartans, to the 7th episode of Spartan Spotlight. I'm Jaden King, your weatherman, and I'm here to talk about the new weather for this week. We're hopping into the new month of November after our spooky Halloween season, but now let's hop into the weather for this week. Now, for this whole week, it's going to be really sunny, right? And the only time it's going to be like cloudy or cold is more in the morning time, but in the afternoon, it's going to be a lot more hot. But starting off with Monday and these 3 sunny days here, Monday we're going to be having a high of 69 with a low of 50. And then Tuesday, we're going to be having a high of 74 with a low of 53. And then for Wednesday, having a high of 76 with a low of 55. Now, for Thursday is going to be a partly cloudy day, having a high of 72 with a low of 54. And then for Friday, we're going to be having a high of 69 with a low of 55. And lastly, for this weekend, we're going to be having on both days high of 67 with a low of 54. Now let's hop into the humidity for this week. This week's humidity, the highest dew point being 95% with the lowest being 56%. We hope you guys enjoy the weather for this week, and I'll see you guys next time.
Welcome back, Spartans, to another banger from your Spartan Sports Center. I'm your host, Elliot.
And I'm your host, Amaya. Congratulations, cross country, for making it to CIF prelims. And make sure you guys show your support at their race this Friday at Mount San Antonio College.
Also, congratulations to varsity football for making it to the first round of CIF playoffs.
Winter sports have started, and next Monday at 6, boys soccer is playing Fillmore at Fillmore High School.
And next Tuesday at 3, boys varsity soccer is playing at Thatcher High School.
Next Wednesday at 5, boys JV and varsity soccer will be playing at St. Bonnie's at Rio Mesa.
And next Friday, boys varsity soccer will go to Atla Laguana Park to play Laguana Blanca at 3.
Girls soccer will scrimmage next Tuesday at Golden Valley High School. Freshmen's at 3, JV at 5, and varsity at 6:30.
Next Friday, girls soccer will scrimmage against Camarillo here at Rio Mesa. Freshmen at 3, JV at 4:30, and varsity at 6. Now to basketball.
Girls basketball will play Royals High School at Royals High School next Tuesday. Freshmen at 4, JV at 5:30, and varsity at 7.
Next Wednesday, girls basketball will go to Thousand Oaks Center Park to play Thousand Oaks High School. Freshmen at 4, JV at 5:30, and varsity at 7.
Also, next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, boys Frostoff basketball will have a tournament against Buena here at Rio Mesa.
Next Friday at 4, varsity basketball will be playing Oaks Christian at St. Bonnie's High School.
And finally, next Thursday at 3, boys JV wrestling will have a tournament here at Rio Mesa. That's it for this week's sports. Make sure to purchase tickets at gofan.com, and good luck to everyone competing.
See you next time!
Real quick introductions. Michael Lozano runs our youth journalism program. I'm Neil Chase, I'm the CEO. We are both journalists who've worked at a bunch of different news organizations, right? And we now work at the statewide organization. There's nobody with this many journalists covering what's going on. So you guys have the power, if you want to be a very important source for the community, right? There's a lot of people can learn about what's going on campus, but also about what's going on in the community.
Muertos is a celebration of our loved ones who have passed away, and it's very important for a lot of Hispanic cultures because it's a way of remembering our loved ones who have passed away. And the one important thing is an ofrenda, because that's our way of having our loved ones come back to us to visit us on this day.